Okay, so now we're going to talk about writing equivalent radical expressions with variables. So not a whole lot of stuff is changing here. We just have variables included inside of our radical now. So looking at square root of 63, x to the 9th. Now, we've already done the square root of 63, but I'm going to just do it a different way, just to show you that there's different ways of doing things. So if I take 63, I know that 9 times 7 gives me 63. 7 is a prime number, so I'm going to stop with the 7, but 9 I can break up into 3 and 3. I'm looking for pairs, so this right here is a pair of 3s, and my 7 is left over, so I end up with 3 on the outside and 7 on the inside. However, I have this x to the 9th here, so x to the 9th equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's circle our pairs here. So I've got a pair here, I've got a pair here, I've got a pair here, and a pair here, and one left over. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. So here's how we write our answer. We're going to not forget about this 3. The 3 has a pair, so it leaves the house. Then I have a pair of x's. I have another pair of x's. I have another pair of x's. And I have one more pair of x's. So I have 4 pairs of x's. Then I have my radical, or my house. Keep the 7. Keep the x. That's what was left over, right? The 7 and the x. Those were leftovers. Okay, let's just condense this one more time. So I'm going to have 3, and x times x times x times x is equal to x to the 4th. Square root 7x. And that's my answer. Now there is a trick to this. What I could also have done is taken the 9 and divided it by 2. Like how many, what's the closest even number under 9? Well, it'd be 8, right? So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And then 1 left over, because 8 plus 1 gives you 4. So you would have 1x left over. Now, if that's way too much for you, feel free to do this part, and you'll still get the same answer. It just might be a little bit more writing for you.